So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to send money internationally to someone here on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press home, and then press send money or send, I guess, just right in the middle beside add money. Once you're here, two different options: the send within Canada, which we're not looking for, but what you are looking for right below is send internationally. Go ahead and select that. Now, once you're on this page, you actually have to go ahead and upgrade your account to access this feature. So if you just have the free account like myself, you can't actually do it. But if you wanted to, you can sort of see, you can add some money to your account. First and foremost, you can see the fee here. So if you wanted to send $100 to someone Canadian, that's about $71 USD. You can also select different currencies as well. So if you wanted to send money to someone, I don't know, in Belgium, you can go ahead and send $100 in Belgium. It'll show you the rate right there, the conversion fee. You can also scroll down if you wanted to do Colombia. It works the exact same way. So if you wanted to upgrade your account where it says upgrade and send at the bottom, go ahead and select that. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can view a bunch of different plans. So there's the essential plan right here. There's the extra plan right here. There's the everything plan right here. So you can go ahead and select one of those plans in order to send money internationally through the application. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to send money internationally on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.